हाँ विल स्टार्ट.
किसका करें?
बारसा से शुरू करते हैं.
सर्च
किसको किसको साइन किया है भाई? नाम बोलो.
बारसा ने किसी को नहीं किया.
Gordon.
अरे दो लोगों को किया ना. एंटनी
Gordon,
गॉर्डन
Gordon.
दूसरा.
चल रहा है ना?
हाँ चल रहा
ये भी तो है.
एंटनी गॉर्डन एंड करीम अडेमी.
अडेमी.
Chalo, we'll also open Twitter's. Rodri to Barcelona. That's not happening.
That's not happening.
That's not happening.
That's
That's basically
That's
something to drive into Madrid.
yeah. Emerick Laporte want to sign for Barcelona.
that's also not happening.
No,
That
Laporte-
might happen.
Atletico.
might happen.
No,
He's a really
Atletico.
smart
It's like Atletico, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it depends, na. कि
Atletico,
what is-
Atletico ain't selling to
Athletic club,
Barcelona.
not Atletico Madrid.
No, no, I know, but the thing is, it depends, na. What is this?
But its
fees?
release clause is under 15 million.
Laporte fees.
Yeah.
Barca transfer news.
Yeah.
Let's go next.
X.
Why did we start with Barca though?
It's a lame club.
It's a lame club.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but
Barca is
they are
Barca is
always
history.
in the news, bro.
Barca-
so it makes sense.
And not for the right reasons.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Let's go.
Rodri.
Rodri.
Bro, the only reason Rodri to Barca links started happening because Perez said ki we are not interested.
Yeah.
Madrid is not
Yeah.
interested. So their agent started.
But I
linking
think they're
it.
still
It's so obvious.
after all they're still
Yeah.
signing
I
him.
think
They're
they are
trying.
linked to
Yeah, yeah.
PSG also.
They links to PSG. PSG
PSG because PSG stole Diomande.
Yeah.
So,
that's a big-
That's
that's
a great
big
transfer.
So that was
Yeah.
that was a dick move.
So it's like 135 million euros, and
Yeah.
now do you
But-
think they'll sell Vinicius?
I think Madrid is the main
mean-
club to talk about right now
Yeah,
because
it's-
they are
No, I think they're going
it's
mad
a
to
domino
Madrid
effect now.
extra.
Yeah, yeah,
But they're going mad, bro.
yeah, yeah.
It's it.
Bro, this is like that Galactico year again. At least.
Bro, for a second I thought it was Vinicius after his surgery.
Yeah.
Rodri.
The new jaw.
My God. Bro, what is this?
Oh yeah, this guy also.
Cucurella.
Cucurella also. Yeah, Madrid.
Bro, I think Madrid have stacked
Bro,
up
let's
a
do
lot.
one thing. Can we all in unison? Let's do Cucurella.
Why not? Yeah.
So 3, 2, 1.
Cucurella.
Yeah.
That's all we know. Jose Mourinho's back.
Yeah.
I think the biggest challenge is for Mourinho.
Yeah.
Does he
Jose
still have it?
Mourinho wants to play fast football. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
not happening.
I think they can, but they just don't have the midfield for it.
But they are,
Who is
they
the
are getting Rodri.
Bro? No, they're getting Bernardo.
Bernard.
Yeah, and they want to play fast football.
Bernardo Silva.
Bernardo Silva and
Bernardo
Fazio
Silva was the
together.
slowest player in
Two
Premier
jerseys
League.
who know how it
With
feels.
Casemiro.
Yeah.
In it.
Yeah. My
What
God,
the
bro,
fuck?
just look at
Bro.
that jaw. It just feels.
Yeah, that's not him.
It
Bro,
feels like
that's
a
not
wannabe
the-
Hollywood
That's not-
movie star.
Bro, that's not the crocodile, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jude, oh my God.
Okay, let's go. Just go to Fabrizio and type
Yeah.
Real Madrid.
Yeah.
By the way, Luka Modric is staying for another year.
Yeah.
AC Milan.
AC Milan.
Bro, how old is he? 41?
He's 41.
It's wild, bro.
Yo, Monday.
Just search for Real Madrid in this page. Can we do that? Yeah, on the top corner.
Yeah.
Not Real Madrid.
Denzel Dumfries.
Oh my
But,
God.
it's still relevant.
Bro, I saw a
So-
tweet where Barcelona's 4 dream signings were mentioned. All 4
Denzel
of them are now going
Dumfries
to
will
Madrid.
compete with Trent Alexander-Arnold.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
No, that's a competition.
Bro, I saw a thing today, man. The
What?
bench strength of Madrid right now. It's crazy.
Bro, it's hilarious.
It's insane.
I think Dikshit, Abhinav
Yeah,
Dikshit.
Dikshit.
Shout out to Abhinav Dikshit.
Yeah. I mean, there are like 3
Yeah,
players.
Disagree.
Let's go to his story.
Yeah. Bro, it's
It's
wild,
not
bro.
Florian Wirtz.
Bro, I'll tell you. Okay, right now their left wing is Vinicius and Rodrigo.
Yeah.
Right wing is Diomande and Brahim Diaz.
Yeah.
Brahim Diaz is very good. And the
Left wing is Vinicius and Mbappe.
No, Mbappe.
Mbappe
friend,
is
na?
a friend.
Yeah.
Mbappe,
Hendrick.
Hendrick.
Bobby.
What's up with
Hendrick is coming
Hendrick?
back.
Yeah, he went on for
He
a
went
loan.
on
now.
loan,
Yeah.
Lyon, no.
Yeah, I think that was because of Ancelotti.
This
but-
guy Macedono is
They also want
Macedonia
to
is
Going on
attacking
loan.
midfield.
Yeah. No, he's not there. He's
So
not.
Bellingham, Arda Güler and Macedono, Rodri, Bernardo and Camavinga,
and Chouameni.
and
Chouameni.
Valverde, Chouameni and yeah.
It's a good
Bro,
team.
it's a lot of average
And they
midfielders
also
though.
want Bastoni.
They want Bastoni.
Bro,
Bro,
I-
Bastoni would be crazy, man.
I don't know about Barcelona, but I heard Barcola is wants to go.
Yeah. No, he wants to go to
Barcelona
Liverpool.
wants
Barcelona wants to go to
Liverpool. It's confirmed.
PSG is asking 170 million.
170.
But he can walk away for free next year.
Yeah.
It does not make any
As
sense.
bargain
Yeah.
will be struck.
Bro, Barcola. I mean, he can complete the three-peat anyways this year. Then there won't be anything left to do at
Barcola,
PSG.
yeah. Get him out.
Yeah. Now I think we should move to the main guy.
Let's go to dictator. Dictator Mbappe. Who's the main guy?
Vinicius. Is he
Vinicius.
actually going to?
I think Vinicius
Arsenal?
with his new jaw. I think.
Vinicius.
He's the
Yeah.
Oh, he's the main guy. Julian Alvarez.
Oh,
He's not going anywhere.
he's not going anywhere.
He's
man.
not going
He's not
anywhere.
going anywhere.
Yeah, that's sad.
It's very old now.
Yeah, this is very old.
Yeah. Well, let's
I
go
don't
to
know.
We didn't see Bernardo.
bro.
I think we have.
Bro, on the pitch, it's Bernardo is the only guy you will see because he's so slow. He's the only one.
He won't even play, bro.
Bro, this guy is.
Yeah.
Govares is coming to Arsenal.
Missed the penalty.
Has
Yeah.
he come yet?
Oh, that was such a traumatic
Yeah.
match.
It's not.
Imagine paying
This is very old. It is
70 million.
No, I don't think they can sign, na, if they want Vinicius. I don't think
No,
it's
they've
fair.
already
Ah,
signed
John
it.
Stones and
No,
Inter
no,
Milan. Yeah,
that's
that's.
okay.
Why is Arsenal approaching John Stones?
Not Arsenal.
No, no,
It's
Inter Milan.
Chelsea and Arsenal.
I just saw Inter Milan.
Yeah,
Inter and
Inter and
Juventus.
Juventus. No, I don't think he'll go to Arsenal from City.
Yeah. That would be a shame.
What is this?
What is this exactly?
What is this?
What is-
Axel Donsu.
16-year-old. It's fine.
That's a academy.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go join.
Join the shoot.
Join the show. वहाँ लेके आना. Oh, yeah. Next camera.
तो इधर आओगे नहीं कैमरा में?
बीच में आ जाओ.
इधर आ जा.
इधर आ जा.
आ जाओ.
Yeah, it's fine.
Let's talk about Dhamijano. What clubs do you follow?
Bro, I follow Real Madrid and FC Barcelona.
Davija got bored, man.
Won the El Clasico covered.
Bro, it's like supporting India and
Pakistan.
Yeah.
Let's go.
That makes sense.
नहीं follow का तुमने support नहीं मैं follow का.
Follow.
अच्छा.
Whom do you support?
FC Barcelona.
Let's go.
Barcelona.
Superiority.
Three guys.
So there are actually
There's
four.
three. No. What? How?
1, 2, 3. Pseudo Barca.
I am
It's
not
not
Pseudo
Barca.
Barca. Bro, I was
City
never.
is Pseudo Barca.
What?
I mean,
Bro,
City
what?
is a
I'm
lame
offended,
club,
bro.
It's
Yeah.
not Barca.
Pseudo is what?
Bro, it was like.
It's a lame club, City, but
Yeah, it was lame, bro.
Bro,
So we'll talk about
two,
half the-
bro, two United fans, right? How many? Are you? You're not United fan, right?
No, I'm
Bro, I
not.
want to say something. Alex Ferguson was asked.
Open
Once upon a
United,
time.
na?
Yeah, it's fine.
Open United fan.
Yeah?
Open United fan will
The
see
greatest
some-
club.
The greatest Premier
see
League
some great
club.
transfers.
Well, yeah, this is a great
Bro,
transfer.
Tillmans
The
is a
most
very good signing.
active club.
Oh, they got money.
Why is Mason Greenwood the first?
Yeah, guys, this is the night.
Ederson.
This collapsed. This collapsed out of nowhere.
Kind of sad.
Yeah.
What is this? James Trafford? No.
Leeds.
Yeah.
Leeds. Yeah, it's decent.
Leeds United.
This is decent.
That's Diamond.
Bro, where is? I didn't just United.
United
And that
fan.
is it.
No, that's not it.
Bro, just search
Open United
United UTD or something.
They'll open Instagram.
Yeah. Bro, but Tillmans is a good signing.
Tillmans is actually
It's
Yeah,
a very good
Tillmans is-
signing.
I
It is
just
not a
read a
signing
fact.
that. Yeah.
It's like the fourth time they've tried to sign Tillmans.
I think it's a couple of years too late, but it's fine.
Couple.
Yeah, I mean he's
5 years
29.
late.
He's 29. If you would have signed at 27 or something.
48.
Bro, but he plays decent.
Yeah.
Bro, Santos are not on board.
Santos though, it's like a
It's a backup.
In Belgium, he plays with
It's
Kevin
like
De
a
Bruyne.
backyard
United, he'll play with rat-faced Bruno Fernandes.
Bruno Fernandes.
Tillmans.
My God, bro.
Bro, I'm excited about United's
Yeah, United.
downfall this season.
Yeah, obviously.
Open Chelsea, no?
Bro, but Chelsea is the club, bro. I don't know how they sold Garnacho for a profit.
Bro,
Like,
Chelsea
it does
are
not
looking
make
to
any
sign
sense.
Danny Welbeck and Jordan Henderson.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
that's a downfall.
That should be a top of.
They brought Alonso.
Alonso.
Bro, that
Xavi Alonso.
Xavi.
yeah,
Yeah.
that
They
is
did not see
that
one.
is good. That is a good.
Yeah.
That's
Again,
I mean, it's a decent.
Bro, they upgraded from whom?
That some guys.
This is John
Yeah,
Stone.
I don't remember the name, so yeah, he's not in.
Bro, I stopped following Chelsea after Thomas Tuchel.
Yeah.
I think
think
once
they
the
are
leadership
That was the
changes-
last time
At
Chelsea
least
was
15
relevant.
managers in that time space.
Yeah, I
Every-
think after
every
Graham
season
Potter,
they have 3 managers.
Graham Potter
Graham
was
Potter was there,
Who
was
was the
A
last?
finished Jordan Henderson going to Chelsea. It's a crazy
God.
transfer.
Chelsea lead the race against whom?
Everyone wants to play for the world champions.
Everyone
Sure, buddy.
wants
Sure,
Jordan
buddy.
Henderson.
Yeah.
Sure, buddy.
It's extremes. Either they buy.
Bro, that's
This is the epic shit, bro.
Chelsea's kindergarten is already full. Now they're filling up their retirement home.
Bro, this is like United buying up those Real Madrid old people, bro. Varane, Casemiro.
It's like Real Madrid getting Bernardo.
Yeah.
Bro, Real Bernardo.
Sure, buddy.
Danny Welbeck.
Yeah, the goat.
35-year-old Danny Welbeck.
I think this is late.
This is sad.
London will always be blue. My club is signing.
It's okay. Signing a pensioner, yeah.
Solid backup. Anuj Shetty will be celebrating.
Let's not shout out to Anuj Shetty.
Bro, but we should
Buhari-
talk about.
Yeah, this is exciting.
Ayub
bro.
Buhari.
Ayub Buhari is.
Is it happening?
But
It
Yeah,
is.
it is.
Bro, he will come this
Can
season.
he replace Rodri?
No.
Next Rodri is-
No, next Rodri is Nico Gonzalez, I think.
Huh?
Nika Gonzalez
He will
will
be
go
sold
out
next
before.
He'll be
Ah,
sold
bro.
next season.
Bro, there are some Twitter pages, City Twitter pages, who are
Wow.
hyping up Nico Gonzalez like anything.
Yeah.
So sad.
I think they'll need to cover for
Liverpool have Bradley Bakula as a top priority.
Yeah.
What?
Even-
She's asking for 170 million.
170 million for him is crazy.
Bro, I think 100.
Who are PSG's? PSG also signed someone, na?
PSG.
Bro, they signed Digne as a
Digne,
left.
Digne.
Digne as a fullback.
Digne, yeah.
As a backup to Nuno Mendes.
Yeah, yeah.
It's wild.
It's a backup to Nuno Mendes.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy.
The Nuno.
Bro,
who else?
yeah, he was so
Odinia.
good, bro.
So he went to
Odinia,
Colo
Colo.
Chile.
Chilean.
Bro,
Chilean club.
how did
Great
any
keeper.
MLS team not sign him? Just for the.
Bro, he's 40
fame.
years
I
old.
think they would not have given him a visa.
Bro, Casemiro had his debut. He was balling.
His
and-
mother did not get a visa to watch his matches.
Yeah. Cape Verde
Oh.
will sign
Yeah,
him.
yeah.
Bro,
The goat.
Pirlo, bro. Leave all that. Huh? Why is he posting on NBA? The king.
Jurgen Klopp is back.
Yeah,
Bro, this was an epic press conference, man. He just vented everybody.
Look at that smile.
It won't be there once he sees Havertz up top.
It was so fun, bro, when he was a Liverpool manager.
Pep Guardiola.
Boxing Lacroix.
So, who is the next Italian manager?
That's a mess.
Maresca.
Yeah, bro, they resigned.
Arey, the Andrea Bust, whoever was
Yeah.
in charge of.
Yeah, yeah.
These
Maldini,
guys-
Maldini and
Oh,
both,
Maldini and
both
Maldini
resigned, bro.
Yeah.
It's crazy. In 10 days.
Who is signed?
Arey, they
Maldini
hired
and Leonardo.
Maldini and Leonardo to lead the Italian Federation.
He-
To assign a
Pirlo
coach.
नहीं किया था.
Pirlo was supposed to be the coach,
Manager,
but these guys were
coach,
like the
yeah.
board of directors or
Oh.
something. So
They
it's
were
only
like
good for
from-
them.
Maldini left AC Milan.
So that's like 20 years ago.
He was
Yeah, bro, what is
board
wrong with
member,
him?
no?
Bro, but going after Pep was way too ambitious. Like, why would he join? Right?
Yeah, Pep wants
After
a break.
coaching for 10 years.
Just wants a break.
Yeah.
So it's because of Russian sponsors, Russian betting.
Bro, it is lame, bro.
We would love Russian sponsors.
Bro, it is
Yeah,
weird.
Chan.
Watching this for a long time, my neck is paining, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I have to see there also sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, is there any other big
Let's talk about the greatest club,
United.
United?
Barcelona.
Yeah.
bro. Three
Yeah.
Yeah, I can speak for
We
either
should
of
have
them.
Barcelona.
But
Manchester
only
United.
No, no. Hey,
Bro, I
Sure,
think-
buddy.
The greatest club.
let's go back.
Bro, look at the jersey.
Let's. Thank you for watching, guys.
Yeah, this is where we end the podcast.
Hello. Let's go to City, one of the most exciting signings
Yeah.
In-
finally.
in Premier League. Elliot Anderson coming to City. He will replace Rodri.
Bro, I saw him.
I think he can.
in the
Yeah,
semis.
he's the only one who
he's
can.
the only
Yeah,
one
he's
who
good.
can, and have Cherki with him. So
He has a potential.
yes.
Let's see how he does. But yeah, it's a very good sign.
He has
Took
Doku
a-
on the left,
Cost a lot.
Semenyo on the right, Haaland.
Haaland.
Oh, Doku and Semenyo are different people. It's just crazy.
I think
Look who's talking.
City might go in for winning.
Are Grealish is still.
Oh, Grealish.
No, Grealish is back.
He's still there, bro.
Grealish is back.
And that's their downfall.
Yeah.
Sure, yeah.
That's their downfall.
I think Cherki for
I mean,
20
Calvin
million.
Phillips is back.
Bro, he's still there? I forgot about him, bro.
And here we were talking about United.
Yeah. Bro, how many
Bro,
players
yeah.
City signed?
Madrid wanted Guardiola also.
Yeah, bro, but he signed an
But no,
extension, na?
he's
Shout out to
Signed an
Shashar
extension.
Gillian.
shout out to Shashwat Gillial.
Yeah.
तुम भी shout out करो.
Joshua Gillian.
So yeah, he's staying back 2031. Good.
Who's this molester?
Some old guy.
Bro, look at
Who were
City's
they?
page. It looks so active. Like they're planning to
Bro,
sign
it's all
someone.
fake news, bro. City
Bro,
have
but
verbally
at least
indicated
no.
they're ready to bid 100
Bro, at least there is some
But
news.
there's some news, bro.
Look at
There's
United, bro.
some
There's
false-
nothing, bro.
We always get some false hope, bro.
It's just visual fanatics.
Yeah,
It's committing
the
coups
thing
now.
is-
Signed a new deal.
Bro, United signed someone, had to go back on that also. So it was bad.
Erling Haaland is doing something.
Hey, fucker, you're a supporter.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean.
Haaland is commenting nice on a lot of posts.
Yeah.
That is
Yes.
exciting.
Yeah.
City.
Bro, you know what the funniest thing?
We'll try our luck.
No, CSK posted something. Expecting Haaland to comment nice. You know who commented nice? Shivam Dubey.
Yeah, that's the downfall.
Is he still in?
Yeah. Oh my god.
James Trafford. My lord, he looks so scared.
Guardiola.
Guardiola, man.
He signed a new deal.
Significant salary increase. Arey, what happened to City's charges, man?
Huh? It's coming.
It's
They're
coming,
going
yeah.
down.
Yeah, sure, sure.
They're
It's
going
still
down.
happening since the last 2 years.
So they can't do shit, bro.
It's coming home.
Yeah. Bro, I think anything
Yeah.
less than
Oh,
a
yeah.
relegation.
Main
Yeah,
Gariubo
man,
ka-
let's talk about
this guy.
Gariubo ka Pep Guardiola.
Gariubo ka web
Still boiled, but
Yeah.
easy.
Bro,
like
he sucked balls at Chelsea, bro. I don't know what
Yeah,
City
he was
is.
good.
Bro, but it's Chelsea.
He was not good.
Hey, he was
He
decent.
good.
Yeah, it's
No, I
decent,
don't-
yeah.
Let's pull up.
Yeah, they
Bro,
were
he
second
pulled that
now.
shitty score to 6th in the.
Yeah, they were
Yeah.
second when he
Oh,
left.
he qualified for the Champions League
He
also.
won the then the but he was the man.
Ah,
Yeah,
sorry,
it's
sorry.
decent,
yes,
bro.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
he did
I was
decent.
wrong.
Bro,
Champions
Pep
League.
is not like Sir Alex. He knows how to choose a decent
Bro, if you
successor.
think, if you squint
Who
your
was,
eyes.
who was next successor to Sir Alex?
Ah,
David
Moyes.
David Moyes.
He's still there.
Yeah.
Wait, let's pull up Chelsea.
Chelsea, who
Enzo
was their last
Maresca.
manager? Can't remember.
Yeah.
Enzo Maresca के
Enzo
पहले
Maresca
था.
के बाद.
मार्ज कौन है? अरे यार उसको भगा दिया था ना?
अरे,
गैलवो जाले।
ऐसे नहीं है.
Let's-
There was
I
this
think-
guy. Liam Rosenor.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Roger.
yeah. He sucked big time.
He's at Paris City now.
Yeah, they bought him from their
Yeah,
sister
yeah,
club,
yeah.
Strasbourg.
Strasbourg.
My God, bro, they have so many managers.
Mm.
Pochettino was there.
Oh.
Lampard.
Phil
Potter.
Foden signed a new deal.
Yeah, that's not exciting.
Yeah, he just.
Bro,
Should have
people
gone.
have already forgotten that Lampard had also came back as an interim.
Lampard is back in Premier League.
Yeah,
Coventry
yeah.
City.
Anderson. City has made only one signing, no?
Huh?
Elliot Anderson, no?
Yeah.
Elliot Anderson.
There are two
Buhari, I
possible-
think-
Still people like.
Bro, that's what two signings.
Buhari is. I think
Buhari
it all
is-
cost a lot.
Yeah, bro, if Rodri is leaving, they need someone. They need two people to.
They definitely don't need Buhari for Rodri.
Bro, they are getting
They would have
Calvin
done better.
Phillips
They
back.
could have gotten Sandro Tonali.
Tonali.
Bro, yeah. Bro, yeah,
But
Tonali was a
why-
very good
why
signing.
would
man.
anyone go to
But Tottenham has made a new.
Sorry,
a lot
Tottenham.
of
Bro,
signings.
Tottenham has made
Tottenham
too
has
many
made.
signings.
They made a. They made very good signings.
Yeah, yeah.
Marco
Manager is also
Senesi,
good.
Yeah.
Tonali, Fernandes.
Fernandes.
And apart from that,
Bro, they had a very bad season.
Bro, Matthias Fernandes was
Yeah,
such a good
Senesi.
signing, man.
Marco Senesi
Marco
was free.
Senesi.
Yeah, yeah,
Marco
yeah.
Senesi was
Bro,
free.
that's crazy.
And another one for free.
Yeah, they were, but Romero
They signed
is
five players.
But I
Who
think
was the
Romero is
other-
leaving.
Ton-
Romero is leaving.
Romero-
Tonali and who was the other guy who was very like.
Matthias Fernandes,
Matthias
bhai.
Fernandes.
Bro, United was after him for so long
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then they just dropped the ball.
United have no money.
We can also talk about Siddharth's favorite player right now.
the good.
Anthony Gordon.
Oh, yeah.
And then he got
Put up
headless chicken.
Gordon.
Bro, he did his thing in the World Cup.
What did he do?
He ran.
Yeah, he
he
ran.
scored the first
Ran.
goal in the semis.
Yeah.
The
He
last
gave
goal that
two
England
assists
scored.
in the semis.
Huh?
He gave two
Look
assists.
at that picture, oh. It looks so lame.
Yeah, he's,
He looks like a lizard.
he's there to run.
Bro, this is like a generic English face.
Karim Adeyemi.
Adeyemi and
Both have 8 troubles.
Yeah.
They let
Bro,
go
you
of
know-
Rashford and they bought Adeyemi and Gordon.
You know what is the acronym for the new trio? Gay.
Yeah, it's.
Yeah.
But
We went from MSN to gay. That's been tough.
That's an upgrade. Morgan Rogers to Chelsea.
Bro, this is wild, bro.
Yeah.
117.
See, this is the most expensive transfer they did not need because they already have a player called Cole Palmer.
Cole Palmer, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Cole Palmer, people forgot Cole Palmer.
Yes.
Bro, so many companies lost their money because of Cole Palmer.
Yeah.
All the
He
commercials
was
they
the
shot, bro.
headline figure of the
yeah,
England
every
team,
year,
right?
bro. It's crazy, man. I don't know how it was not Jude Bellingham. Like,
Oh, the GOAT, Rashford.
bro, he's going to be back at United.
I'm so sad.
Man, I
Again
should have
bench.
won that.
Again
Rashford.
bench.
Yeah. Bro, he'll come off the bench for 20
Do
minutes
for call.
to replace Cunha on the left.
And do
yeah.
for call.
He'll dribble twice and miss
He'll
an open
score
chance.
against Wolves.
Bro, something happened with in the World Cup. We were watching some match and Cunha was subbed off. And
Yeah,
they got
like
someone
that is
else.
every match.
Yeah, they got someone else.
Neymar,
Some-
no.
No.
not Neymar. Someone else that just got so angry looking at that.
Yeah.
And he was like, Cunha was balling that match.
That's
He-
every
he-
match in
he-
the
I
World
think
Cup,
it was
bro.
Bobby.
Igor, Thiago.
Anthony.
It's Endrick.
It's
Endrick, bro.
Yeah,
Endrick.
Bobby.
Endrick.
Bobby.
Yeah. Bro, apparently Neymar was fit to play that match. And they did
Neymar
not
was fit
play
to
him.
play every match, bro.
Bro, yeah. Bro, they should have risked Neymar, man. Like, it's
Yeah.
still so sad to see.
This
He
is
went
another
out like
leg.
that. Bro, he was not missing that penalty, man. Like, for sure.
Ooh.
Neymar. Bruno, giving
Bro,
Bruno
actually,
Guimaraes the
Maresca is very good, bro. I'm seeing his record.
Yeah,
Maresca is good.
Chelsea was good.
Bro, Chelsea, I don't know what they
Very
did. They just.
Apparently, he had a fight with.
He
Bruno
just
Guimaraes.
left.
Yeah, he left. Absolute Chelsea.
I think City
Bonkers.
contacted him and he was like,
They're like, yeah, I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm done.
I'm done with this shit.
I'm coming home. Any more
Jordan Henderson.
to Chelsea? Happy Blues.
Bro, Jordan Henderson.
That's all, bro.
Bro, he broke his hand, right?
sarcastic.
Bro, Jordan Henderson
Ah.
is in the England squad in World
Yeah.
Cup.
Yeah.
He didn't play a single minute,
Yeah.
yet he got injured.
Yeah, yeah. Bro, that was the
Celebrating.
craziest thing. He just
He
fell
had
off,
a
bro.
surgery.
Bro, that was the most funny
Bro,
thing.
talking about one of
No. Let's go.
Kai Havertz.
Yeah, let's
The
go.
most
I think-
versatile player.
Who was
I
the
think-
guy where
Wait,
who
Arsenal.
costed
Saying
City a
to
Champions
Kai
League
Havertz,
final?
We should talk about Ferran Torres.
We have to talk about
Bro, I'll kill him, bro. I'll kill him, bro.
Ferran Torres.
Bro, he's hated by both the FCs, man. Like, it's
Bro,
wild.
it's so frustrating that Mikel Merino and
Ferran
Ferran
Torres
Torres are the heroes of Spain, bro.
Yeah, bro, they retired.
They retired Ronaldo.
And then you retired Messi, man.
Was in the final.
Huh?
Only goal he scored in the World
No,
Cup
was
was
in
the
the
final.
final.
No, he scored against. I mean, he scored against Portugal also. Ferran Torres.
That was Marino.
Yeah,
Ah,
Merino.
Ferran Torres had
Ferran
assist,
Torres
no?
assisted.
Assist.
Yeah, yeah.
Both of them.
Bro, that guy is gonna miss 20 more sitters for Barca after that also. This fucker.
Bro, is he gay? I just wanted to ask because
Yeah, he's gay, bro.
is
I
Ferran
think there are
Torres
some-
gay?
Bro, just tell Ferran Torres, you'll see that.
Ferran Torres is gay.
Yeah, he's
Bro, because I saw some
Ah,
pictures.
see.
Well,
Literally.
idea
yeah.
में हो तुम साले.
Search optimization at peak.
Yeah.
Well, he is gay, bro. Come on.
I am bisexual. Wow.
I don't know.
Yeah, we don't
But
believe
he's
that.
my brother-in-law. Sure, bro. B. Oh my god.
Questionable pictures.
Yeshwar, then are we pivoting our channel?
Yeah.
PSG have decided to go all out for Ferran Torres.
Let's go. Please take him.
Please take
Bro,
it.
Please take it.
all out will still be 40 to 50 million euros.
That's good enough for him.
Yeah.
Bro, that's 20 more
I
than what
think
he
someone
deserves.
made a comment on this.
Bro, yeah, bro.
40, 50. Have you had that?
Oh man.
They
Oh,
were-
supporters of Ferran Torres.
What the fuck?
He's just has a year left, bro. Then it's fine, na?
Bro, what the fuck?
If
120?
Jan Monday is worth 100 million,
Yeah.
then Ferran should be worth 120, 130 million.
Delusion.
No.
My god, bro. Bro, but I won't be surprised if he scores the winning goal in a UCL final for PSG.
I mean, if
Hakim.
Kai Havertz can do it,
Yeah, anybody can.
anyone can.
Kai
Bro.
Havertz.
Bro, but that was a Pep Guardiola disaster last week.
Yeah, Ferran scored a goal in the final, bro, and then
Yeah, bro.
that was.
Yeah, I mean, all thanks to Enzo Fernandez.
It's not Enzo Fernandez, it's Molina.
Bro, that fucker
It was Noel Molina who
took
pushed.
a red, bro. When he knew he was already on a yellow. Are Simeone didn't track back.
I think we'll
that-
move from
Yeah.
Ferran Torres now.
Simeone just left him
getting,
open.
It's very
It's
weird
game
now.
on.
Very
almost.
good, yeah.
Yeah.
I think
What are you thinking?
Vinicius.
Yeah, let's see his jaw again and end the podcast. Yeah, let's zoom in, bro.
Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh fuck.
Oh, the right one is still the old Vinicius. Huh?
No, that is a new one.
Bro,
Bro,
I
that
can't-
does not even look
I
like...
genuinely can't. No, that is the old. This
yeah,
is
this is
the
the new. Yeah,
This
yeah,
is
yeah.
the new.
Bro, that does not even look like Vinicius, bro.
He used ChatGPT, bro. It was clear.
Like Vinicius Junior to Arsenal.
I mean, that would be lame. No? That
I
would be.
think-
Bro, he will die so much.
I
my
don't
God.
think it would happen.
Bro, I want it to
Vinicius,
happen.
I don't
The
think will
only two
survive in
clubs
Premier
that can pay his wages are City and PSG.
City are not taking him. They
City are not taking
No,
City are
not.
What is your point? Your point is
I forgot.
that he can't survive in.
Premier League.
Yeah.
Yeah, he cries too much.
Yeah, he
Cries
cries
too much
way
in La
too
Liga,
much,
man.
yeah.
Premier
Bro,
League is too
even
much
for
second
when he plays in Copa America and all, bro, he's just not that good. Yeah, I think we are back to
Bradley
Barcola.
Barcola. Did we miss
Please.
someone?
Yeah,
No.
this.
Oh my
God.
He's talking like this. It's crazy.
Chin harmonization surgery.
What is that?
Bro, something happened to him, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro,
it's
yeah,
not bad.
trolls got
What
to.
the fuck is a chin harmonization surgery?
Yeah, let's Google it.
Please, sir.
Please, please Google
Chin
it.
harmonization surgery. Yeah, I think this can be something useful for our audience here.
Chin harmonization. Chin harmonization, also called metaplasty, genioplasty. is
Okay.
possible
Bro, they moved the bone.
to
Great definition.
reshape or
But
resize
why?
the chin
Yeah.
using sliding bone cuts, implants, or fillers to balance facial proportions.
Bone cuts.
My God.
Damn.
Damn.
Bro, how offended was he? You know? Like by being
mean,
called monkey.
Having called being monkey every
Bro,
day, bro.
if-
he's got to.
Still, people won't.
Yeah.
No,
I mean, he looked bad, but
I think
it
it was
his
more of his.
colour,
I mean,
right?
there are worse
Yeah.
men, bro.
Character.
There are worse looking men.
I think.
I mean, Diomande.
Yeah,
Is
they are
he-
replacing monkey with
Yeah.
monkey. Monkey with gorilla.
We have to cut that part.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Nobody's.
Not enough people watch us.
Yeah.
Copyright strike नहीं लगेगा.
YouTube वाले आ जाएंगे.
यार ये क्या?
कुछ नहीं होगा.
Diomande is ugly.
What is this?
Yeah, guys, Siddharth, it's time to end the show.
Yeah, we are going into questionable territory.
Yeah.
Who else is?
Who has got a surgery?
Exhausted. Think.
Yeah, I think we are done for the.
We are done for the transfers.
Yeah.
Almost.
I mean, let's not talk about transfers which are not going to happen.
Like transfer that did
Alvarez.
happen. Transfer that did happen. Garnacho to Aston Villa.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What a downfall.
How the fuck did Chelsea make a profit?
Yeah, bro, exactly, bro.
It's actually crazy.
Bro, if you had gone from United to Aston Villa, we would have to give a loan first. Then they would say 20. No,
We'll have
that
to
is
give 3
more.
loans.
Yeah. We would have to share the wages. Chelsea, I don't know, bro. What do they do?
Onana is also out.
Oh yeah.
Onana.
We forgot about it.
Onana.
Shout out Yash Kushwaha.
That's a different
Oh, Nana.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Oh
Bro,
my
he
God.
is looking more like Vinicius, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I open Jason Derulo's photo na. Who? Jason
Jason
Derulo.
Derulo. Nice.
Jesse Momoa.
Jason Derulo.
Not Momoa. Jason Derulo.
Yes.
Vinicius.
Oh yeah, bro.
That's
Bro,
Vinicius,
yeah.
bro.
It's Vinicius'
Oh.
new idol.
Look at this picture. Exactly.
Oh my god.
Damn.
It's like a proper doppelganger, bro.
that's-
Proper doppelganger. Oh my god.
That girl, that girl is. She's like, I want to say so many things. I just can't.
After the podcast.
Please. These type of comments won't be appreciated.
Yeah. Won't be appreciated by Idea. Shout out Idea.
How did he get whiter?
Bro,
Oh, yeah,
if you
that
have
could
money,
be that could be
Anytime,
an
bro.
interesting tip for all our audience.
Yeah. Bro, if you have money, you can do whatever. Is the conclusion.
Things Synthesis says today.
I don't have a comeback for
I think we should move on.
Yeah, I think we should
We got
just.
from We've covered.
We covered football, I guess.
We've
Yeah.
covered football. How
What
many
can we-
more things?
Yeah, I think you're done for the week.
You want to cover basketball also?
Bro, I can speak on it for an hour.
I think.
You guys can keep.
We can.
No, it's fine.
That's fine.
So what else can we talk about?
Bro, I think it's high time that we should.
We should
now
end.
we should be respect.
In the next Gmail that we see offside opinions and not football analysis channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll cut this clip and send to you, sir.
Shout out to High Time.
Shout
Shout
out
out
to.
Shout out to.
High Time.
How was your weekend?
We should come to Messi now.
Oh my god. Let's not go there. It's
Messi.
still too traumatic. Oh my god.
Danish Keltro.
Bro, I think we are
should
talking
see a
about
crying
different
Ronaldo.
moves. Yeah. I think that's a good way to wrap it up.
Bro, let's end this on a.
For a crying Ronaldo meme as
There
usual.
is something better.
Neymar is better,
Oh my
right?
God. No, bro,
No.
this is way better. See, look at this.
Bro, I
It's
think.
it's
Bro,
fake,
nobody even
As-
came to hug him, bro. They were like, okay, get lost.
Bro, he'll kick.
Bro, I think it's time to end.
Yeah.
One last photo. Please search crying Gabriel Magalhaes.
Yeah. Gabriel.
The best defender in the world.
Zoom it, bro. Zoom it. Zoom it. Let's go. Yeah, I got it.
Let's go! Shout out to Himanshu Kumar.
Let's go.
I think the World Cup one is left.
Oh yeah.
Gabriel Haaland.
How is he so bad?
Oh yeah.
Bro.
Hey.
Bro, he just pushes in one of the clips, bro.
Yeah, he's not even speaking English. Because he can't.
So where is the Norway one?
Nice.
I think latest. I'll be latest. Yeah, nothing good is coming up.
Yeah.
I think I should go to Insta.
Gabriel Magalhaes.
कौन है भाई?
Is this Haaland's sister? I don't think she is.
Yeah, guys, we are going into
Bro.
Let's not press that enter button.
Yeah.
What? Can you please put that reel?
Which one?
Head and shoulders.
What?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Goated, bro.
Nothing.
Bro. That's not hilarious, bro.
Chalo, we're done for the day.
Chalo.
Yeah, let's wrap it up.
Follow and subscribe
Please.
Football Analysis channel.
Bye.
Podcast.
Offside opinions.